Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to fix verification require app store problem on iPhone. So let's start. If you have a problem, this is maybe because your payment method should be updated. So for doing this, let's show how to do it. So let's go to App Store, and when we are here on App Store, let's go to the top right corner and our icon. Where is our name? Okay, so next let's click on our name. Here in our name, just wait a little bit until this is load, and when it's ready to use it, just go to manage payments. So just click there. You will have here all the payment methods that you use. If you want to update your payment method, you can click on add payment method and add another credit card, debit card, or PayPal or mobile phone. So you can try it, and well, when you do it, just click on done. Okay, so back again, and if you want to take off this, you can edit and delete the card here. So that's the way to update our payment method on App Store. With that, probably you will fix the verification require app without any problem. So guys, I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give a thumbs up to this video.